channel. So this is an all new series which is an addition to my channel, and it's going to be all about food. So it's called Always HungEri, and it is so relatable because I'm always hungry and I'm always talking about food and discussing food. So this is going to be all about food, where I'll be posting my recipes, I'll be posting about food and everything in general about food. So I am not a professional here, I'm just going to be sharing the recipes that I try out in my kitchen, and you are free to alter the ingredients the way you go about with preparing your dishes, because I do this according to my taste palette and the way it suits me. So you are completely free to do it at your the way you like it. So today I'm going to be making chicken tandoori, and I'm going to be doing it all at home, and I'm going to be using my microwave which has a grill function to tandoor it. And so you can be doing this on the gas as well and tandoor it after you fry it. You just have that whole charcoal effect on it. And let's get started. and definitely give it a try. Do comment below after you try this video how you like the recipe, and definitely click a picture and tag me on Instagram so that I can see how many of you try out these recipes. So I'm going to see you in my next videos, and until then, bye bye.